Early testers can now try this exciting feature. Turn this car into a convertible. And it generated this incredible image. Here they are, side by side. See how it successfully modified the car while also keeping the rest of the image beautifully consistent. The car's full of beach stuff and has been transformed with a color that truly feels like summer. But here's the really neat thing. The model kept going, right on to generating another image, this time with a car brimming with beach gear. You can ask, what might your cat look like on this pillow? Or even on this skateboard? We provided this image with this text on the side of the box to the model. Then we said, open the box, generate the contents inside. We sent that prompt to Gemini 2.0 Flash. This approach, where parts of your prompt are embedded in the image itself, opens up exciting new possibilities for how we can innovate further. Seamless, multimodal, back and forth with the model. Open this. The model successfully understood what we meant and generated this image with the car door open. For the last prompt, we said, make the car fly. Imagine you're the car, soaring through the clouds to the beach. Show what that might look like. This was a challenge, to see if the model could maintain the car's consistency, while also bringing this imaginative new scene to life. AI is changing everything, and now Google has taken it a step further. Meet Gemini 2, Google's powerful new AI that could give OpenAI's GPT models some real competition. Curious to know how? Let's dive in. Hey there. If you're interested in AI and how it's shaping the world, you've come to the right place. Today, we're talking about Gemini 2, Google's new AI model that everyone's buzzing about. Gemini 2 is Google's latest AI model, and it's amazing. Unlike most AI that focus on one thing, like text or images, Gemini 2 can do it all. Text, images, video, and even audio. It's like having an all-in-one AI assistant. Gemini 2.0 can now natively generate images as part of your conversation. Imagine turning a car into a convertible, masking out the roof area, or writing complex prompts. With today's AI tools, this process often requires a lot of manual work. However, with Gemini 2.0, the process is simplified. Early testers brought an image of a car into AI Studio and sent it to the experimental Gemini 2.0 Flash model. The entire prompt was, turn this car into a convertible. The model successfully modified the car while keeping the rest of the image consistent. This side-by-side comparison shows the original and modified image. Unlike many AI tools that use separate models, Gemini 2.0 handles this seamlessly within a single model. Continuing the conversation, testers asked, imagine the car full of beach stuff and change the color to something that feels like summer. The model explained its idea for a summer color and generated a new image. It didn't stop there. It went on to create another image with the car packed with beach gear. Remarkably, all of this happened in a single response, combining text and image outputs. This ability to interleave text and images is one of the most exciting features of Gemini 2.0. For example, you can clean up a photo by simply asking, get rid of the clutter on the couch. The model does it instantly. You can also combine images in creative ways. Want to see your cat on a pillow or skateboard? Just ask, and the model delivers. In another test, an image with text on a box's side was given with the prompt, open the box and generate an image of its contents. The model reasoned about the text and generated an image of old electronics inside the box. The possibilities extend to co-creating imaginary worlds. For instance, testers revisited the earlier car image and drew a circle on the door handle with the prompt, open this. The model understood the visual cue and generated an image of the car door open. Finally, they pushed the model further with, make the car fly. Show what that might look like. Imagine it soaring through the clouds to the beach. Gemini 2.0 not only kept the car consistent, but also visualized it in a new, imaginative scene. These examples showcase what's possible when reasoning and generating text and images come together in one seamless model. Early testers are already exploring these features, with a wider rollout expected next year. Start building with Gemini 2.0 at aistudio.google.com. Now let's talk about the competition. OpenAI's GPT models are great at text-based tasks like writing and chatting. But Gemini 2 takes things further by working with multiple types of data, like images and videos, in addition to text. This makes Gemini 2 more versatile. For example, while GPT might help you write an essay, Gemini 2 could also analyze a photo for you or create a custom video. It's not about one being better than the other. It's about how Gemini 2 is expanding what AI can do. So what can Gemini 2 actually do? A lot. Think about industries like healthcare. Gemini 2 could help doctors analyze medical images. In education, it could create personalized learning tools for students. And in entertainment, it might help create new music or videos based on what you like. Even everyday tasks could get easier. Imagine asking AI to edit your photos, write a detailed report, or even organize your schedule. All done with Gemini 2. It's not just a tool. It's like having an intelligent assistant to help you in so many areas. Gemini 2 is just the beginning of a new wave of AI. What do you think about this exciting technology? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked this video and want more updates on AI and tech, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.